Hello everybody, if you're watching our video right now, we're already in a Dolomite in Manila. And I have with me, this is my one niece and he came from India. How are you, my baby? What can you say about the video? What can you say about the Dolomite in it? This is pretty bloody amazing because we're having a good time, because it's a very wonderful feature. Oh my god, auntie, uncle, if you're watching in our video right now, come to the Philippines right away, because we have a wonderful experience in Dolomite. Yeah, it's very wonderful. What can you say, my baby? What can you say? Why is it you have a sad face? You don't like the Dolomite? You don't like it, my baby? Why? Oh, why? What's that? What's the problem? Oh my god. And we are in a background. Our background is what we call the Watson Beach. Oh my god. Filipino people, if you're watching our video, we are inviting you to experience Dolomite. Yes, exactly. No more hidden agenda. That is only for only 150. You can experience everything in here. A very wide sand beach, and then this very little cute boy. This is Zion. My very cute boy Zion is very cute. Oh my god. We're touring you here, so we're going to see that. And we're going also here. Oh my god. Oh, there's a lot of water in here. Oh yeah. So what can you say about the seashore, my baby? The seashore. Yeah, so we're going there. Oh my god, it's very wonderful to come further. Oh my baby, see something to say something to the people who are watching in our video. Yeah, what can you say right now is a very wonderful sand beach. We're touring you because it's a very wonderful experience. So if you're watching in this vlog, I'm telling you that the Dolomite is very wide, and I have a very good baby, and I have me. You can call me and DM me and PM me. Only 150. Oh yes. So now we're done with our tour. Baby, can you see something? You want to see something? Okay.